Dave and Ava, two little Dicky birds. Look, what cute little Dicky birds. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Look, there goes Peter. Look, there goes Paul. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Look, there goes Jack. Look, there goes Jill. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill.
Great news! From now on, get your free trial for Dave and Ava's app.
Search for Dave and Ava's nursery rhymes on Google Play and App Store.
In a cabin in the woods. In a cabin in the woods, a little boy by the window stood. Saw a rabbit hopping by, knocking at his door.
Help me, help me, help,
He said,
for the hunter shoots me dead. everybody! Hit this button to subscribe to get updates on our new videos. Stay tuned! If you're happy and you know it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
Oh, look! These letters are jumping around!
Hey, well, let's give one a try. Tap on one of the letters.
A. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah.
Huh, what's that hidden over there?
Ha! Wow, cool!
A is for apple.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
Let's try tracing the letter A.
Oh. Huh?
Just try to drag it down to the apple.
Oh, this bug is really hungry. I got it!
Well done, that was great.
That was easy and fun. Can I play some more?
Download and try our ABC Phonics and Tracing app from Dave and Ava for free.
Down by the Bay, Part 2.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a cat wearing a hat down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a dog taking a jog down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a flower taking a shower down by the bay? watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bear in his underwear down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bug drinking from a mug down by the bay?
6 little ducks.
Six little ducks that I once knew. Fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark.
Wait a minute! Ducks don't bark.
Oh, of course.
He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Down to the river they would go. Wibble, wobble, to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Wait a minute! Ducks don't say meow.
Yes, of course.
He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Back from the river they would come. Wibble, wobble, ho, hum, hum. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with an oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Wait a minute! Ducks don't say oink.
Of course, you're right.
He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat, one's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop! Ducks don't say nay.
Oops, you're right.
He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Five little ladybugs. Five little ladybugs climbing up a door. One flew away and then there were 4. 4. Little ladybugs sitting on a tree. One flew away and then there were 3. 3. ladybugs landed on a shoe. One flew away, and then there were two. Two. Looking for some fun. One flew away, and then there was one. One. One little ladybug sitting in the sun. She flew away, and then there were none. Little ladybugs climbing up a door. One flew away, and then there were four. Four. Four little ladybugs sitting on a tree. One flew away, and then there were three. Three. Three little ladybugs landed on a shoe. One flew away, and then there were two. Two. Looking for some fun. One flew away, and then there was one. One. One little ladybug sitting in the sun. She flew away, and then there were none. Dave and Ava Learn and Play is the biggest collection of nursery rhymes, videos, and games in one app. Your child will learn the alphabet, phonics, spelling, numbers, counting, colors, animals, music, and much more. Learn and play anytime and anywhere. Start your free trial today.
The Wheels on the Bus, Part 3.
On the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town.
The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom,
all through the town. children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The gas on the bus goes glug, 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 glug. The gas on the bus goes glug, 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 all through the town. The children on the bus laugh, ha, 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 ha. The children on the bus laugh, ha, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Oh, John the rabbit! Oh, John the rabbit, oh yes, he's got a mighty habit, oh yes, of jumping in my garden, oh yes, and cutting down my cabbage, oh yes, my sweet potatoes, oh yes, my fresh tomatoes, oh yes, and if I live, oh yes, to see next fall, oh yes, I ain't gonna have, oh yes, no garden at all. Oh no! Oh, John the rabbit, oh yeah, he's got a mighty habit, oh yeah, of jumping in my garden, oh yeah, and cutting down my cabbage, oh yeah, oh my sweet potatoes, oh yeah, and my fresh tomatoes, oh yeah, and if I live, oh yeah, to see next fall, oh yeah, well I ain't gonna have, oh yeah, no garden at all. Oh no!
Bingo!
Oh, John the rabbit, oh yeah, he's got a mighty habit, oh yeah, of jumping in my garden, oh yeah, and cutting down my cabbage, oh yeah, my sweet potatoes, oh yeah, and my fresh tomatoes, oh yeah, and if I live, oh yeah, to see next fall, oh yeah, well I ain't gonna have, oh yeah, no garden at all. Hop a little, jump a little. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Stomp a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Dance a little, twist a little, shake your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Twist a little, shake your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. It's good to know which shape is a match. Let's start with the basics. Learn shapes and colors with Dave and Ava. Check out our new app on the App Store and Google Play.
One potato, two potatoes.
One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, four, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoy playing with us, be sure to subscribe to our channel. To watch our videos offline, download our app. See you soon!
Search for Dave and Ava on YouTube.